Fruit picker tayo for today's video. Now, my friend invited me here to do my first fruit picking, and it's persimmon season, so why not? Here, just freshly picked from the farm. I'll try it. So crispy and fresh. It's so sweet. Diba? Nilaway ko. Tumulo na sa sobrang sarap. Ang sarap. Ang tamis. It's located here in Gallstones. I don't know, but it's called the Persimmon's Place. So if you want to visit here, just check it in Google. Sarap. Pa-crispy. Yeah. Perfect weather. Isang araw kasi umuulan. So we're planning to go here last Tuesday, but it's 70% raining. Diba? May percent pa. So ngayon, Saturday, the weather is perfect. It's not too hot, not too cold. So yeah, Persimmon speaking, why not? Visit. Come on.
Are you eating?
Welcome to Persimmon's Place.
Enjoy. Fresh and sweet.
Bye.
I sound really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어. 나 봐, 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I miss you, baby. 좀 더 빨리 널 잊어야만 해. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나. 말없이 걸었어.
So dito kaming area, nagpipick ng persimmon. At sa kabila naman, I think this was last year or hindi pa siya tumutubo yung mga dahon niya. Yeah, but it's still alive. Wala lang siyang mga dahon. Let's get closer. Yeah. Persimmon din to. So ngayon nandito kami sa kabila. Let's go! Persimmon! Free pala yung bag. Pag pumunta ka dito, bibigyan ka nitong ganitong bag. And then $8 per kilo. So pwede ka mag-pick kahit ilan, depende sa gusto mo, then you're gonna pay for it. So cheap lang naman siya. It's $8, and then you can also eat while picking. It's free. So kagaya nito, sana yung nawala. May kinakain ako dito kanina. Nilagay ko lang sa bag kasi hindi ko siya maubos. Yeah.